Rise and shine, guys. We're at Waffle House, day 3. This is day 3. We always woke up in the van in Nashville. Some guy warned us that we had parking tickets, so we moved. Now we're at Waffle House. Shit, I can't see where it's at.
Standing on the side of the road, rain falling on your shoe. Running out of the only school. This is your way of pulling this way so that you have a change like it does.
Wet.
There we go.
Good.
See a little bit of little Tron air.
Yo, check this out. Just look. I can't see anything. That truck is like right there. Whoa. Dave.
Come out.
Fucking spots!
Mark Cheech. Alex, here you are.
Oh, dude.
Dylan,
Dude.
here you go. Cheechy, where you going?
Yo, get him up, dude. This is the. Yo.
It's a pro sleeper.
Oh, you got the little mop, dude.
Oh shit, who's that guy?
Yeah. Look at him just stand there like a security guard. Want to do both at the same time? Oh shit! Open the side door. Careful. Open the side door. Careful.
Oh, that was a sick rail. Alright, so we're driving. I don't think we're in Alabama or Arkansas or something. Maybe, who knows. We just left the firework place that was not there no more, and we broke some light bulbs. It was tight. We stopped at some rest stop right now, and it's pretty cool.
Why do we have a fence? We gotta go down there. Fireworks. Like,
Oh my god.
Just like a fucking.
Is it open?
At the last place.
Bomb waiting to
It looks open. It's crazy. This one's open. The last one wasn't open. This one's open.
They only have snakes and sparks.
I'm going in. Oh my god. The mortars right here, dude, already. Nothing like some good truck stop hats. We don't call 911.
That's right thing to say.
Where do they even sell you that?
I don't know. Put this hat on, I'll probably get accepted by a lot of the white people.
Store doggy.
But they're like really good poppers.
Yeah.
These are the really good.
Alright, that was the best stop of the trip, day 3. Now we're gonna figure out where to go swimming and take a shower in the lake, and then we're gonna laugh a bunch of fireworks. America. Too close, too close! Don't throw him by the van!
Oh shit!
He's over here with the poppers.
That was a dud.
Whoa!
Jesus Christ.
Shoot that bird. Those are my favorite.
We're all gonna touch tips.
Here you go.
Even what? Oh! Oh my god.
Something hit me.
Don't shoot me. Fuck you guys, I'm not giving you no lighter.
That was so gnarly. Get him. Oh, yours are lame, dude. Yours are so lame. Look at his little fucking camera.
Damn.
Oh man.
First thing, shot a shade.
Literally shot my shades right off my face. I have it in my pocket.
We were gonna go swimming in there, but it's kind of fucked.
I'll send it to him. No firearms, alcohol, rubber, explosives. Nickelback?
Nickajack.
Australian folks. Dude, they have voices.
Never seen your kind around here.
Dude, we're like American Pickers right now in the van.
Dude, I felt like American Pickers at the fucking
Yeah, I felt like American Pickers.
Says open.
They're not for sale? Oh man, you're killing me. Dude, how sick would putting this on my van be? Like on the
That'd
hood?
be sick.
Look at this one. I mean, this one's all cracked and shitty, but
Oh my
like
gosh.
one of the other.
That's like a price right there, man.
Dude, look at this one, man. I would love to put that on the front of my van, dude. Just like some hot chick with tits.
You gotta do it.
No, don't do it. I'm nervous.
I thought it was gonna like I thought it was like a mouse trap and like slap my finger.
That'd be neat. We need to do that, huh?
Mousetrap.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna like actually hurt.
Like 401k.
Alright, it's Dude, don't open that.
Don't open that here.
Y'all have a good trip.
the OG one.
Original Rangers.
I want to ride that tractor. Surfing the tractor, man.
Alright, so we bought a ratchet set. And we're taking out the wall. Over the truth. Oh, yes. We can kind of see out of the van now. So much more room now. Then we want to just all this weight. Someone's gonna come up on some metal.
95% of them.
Alright, day 4, guys.
Bring him home.
I think shout out to Christian for taking care of us. We all got showers now on day 4. And we're about to get some food, but I don't even know where we're at. We're in Atlanta. But we're about to drive to Florida today. Buy some food. Am I bringing my camera? Alright, so last night I was so sick and we met the coolest guy ever, and he owns a Hydrate IV place, and we're all getting IVs right now. I've never even done this. This would be so sick. Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is sick.
Everybody looks okay in here. I don't know. That'd be a lot better.
How's it going? Oh man, it's my first time getting an IV. That wasn't a hospital IV. You guys ready for this?
I'm in charge of the TV, dude.
Kardashians. Don't they live in California?
Dude, so I was watching the Olympics, like this, something like this, and these chicks were skiing, right? And then all of a sudden they like whip out a gun.
What are they doing down here?
Road trip from Wisconsin to Florida.
Sweet so high.
Her second Olympic Games, three-time world.
They have BMX in the Olympics?
Yeah, 2020.
Yeah, really? Racing BMX. Freestyle BMX in 2020. Where's that Olympics gonna be at?
Oh, she's been bested by her teammate by, at this point, 30
All done.
seconds.
All done. Nothing, right? Nothing.
You're what?
I wish I put on pants.
You're always wearing shorts.
I'm just like, I'm like, ugh, a little cold just because.
Thank you so much, Chris, for this whole experience. Never laughed so hard.
My pleasure.
Yeah, if you guys are ever in Atlanta, check out Hydrate. If you're ever hungover, it's the cure.
It is the cure.
And we laughed nonstop. It was a good time. And Drew's
Great,
alive.
I love
Drew's
it.
a new man.
I'm a new man. I didn't have everything's good. I made it.
For tonight.
It's not like an episode of Black Mirror.
Back in the van, guys. Back in the van. Going to Florida.
Florida! That's how you walk.
All right,
So we're in
guys.
Florida, and it smells exactly like I thought it would.
What is that?
I don't know.
Alright, day of driving. We got a really late start today, and we had a really good time. And now we're in Florida. We made it, guys. You. 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 I have no voice still. Ah! Popping off.
Oh,
It's lit. Welcome, bikers.
Huge blowout sale.
Oh man, we came with the best store.
What?
First time to Florida, baby.
Let's go.
You're on the wrong side, man.
I know, but I got a camera in my hand.